Alright, so in this video, I'm going to break down some of the trades that I have watched happen live. I did not take those trades because I do not trade in the month of December, because for me, it's a time to, just chill and just stay away from charts. But I was still looking at the charts, so I watched them happen live, and those were ABC strategies, right? So I've explained the ABC strategy on YouTube in detail. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, I highly recommend that you go watch them, because I'm not going to explain ABC in this video, but I can give you a little summary. So this is A leg, B leg, C leg. We wait for market structure shift. We enter at the extreme fair value gap and we target this level. And similarly, we have A leg, B leg, and C leg. We wait for a price to break some structure inside the range here. We take our entry from the extreme fair value gap and then we target this level here. So this is basically ABC, and this is one of my most profitable trading strategies that I have. I have around 9 trading strategies. They are similar to each other, but there are some variants that you can use. They have their own specialty, like in their own way, right? So I want to break down some trades that happened following the ABC pattern. So one of them was 1 to 10 risk reward trade, and I'm going to show you the power of this trading strategy. So let's get started. Right, so this is the trade number 1 that I watched happening live. So yeah, I saw the entry, right, and I didn't like watch the whole trade live. I was just checking the chart again and again after some time, and it just played out really well, and I believe it's going to help some people out. So what we had was an A, B, C formation. So you can see the A leg started from here, then we have the B leg here, right? The B leg doesn't break the start of the A leg, so we have B, and then we have C. So this right here was a liquidity sweep, right? And after that, our ABC rule is to look for market structure shift. We have a market structure shift here inside the range, above the range, and look at this. We have this black candle OB with fair value gap, right? So this is like a perfect auto block. So if you're wondering what is the perfect auto block, this right here is a perfect auto block because it has fair value gap, and it is also the first candle of the fair value gap. So when I drag this along, you can see our entry would have been right here. Our stop would go below this level. There you go. And we target, so we have A, B, C. So we target this level right here. And you can see price hit the take profit, and that was 9.68, almost 10 risk reward. And you can see the power, like it just plays out so well that that is why I call it one of my favorite and most successful trading strategies, because it is insane. I'm using this on 5 minute. You can use on 5 minute, 15 minute, I don't know, 30 minutes. You can use it on any time frame, except I would recommend that you stay away from the 1 minute time frame, because yeah, just stay away from it. So you can see this was a perfect trade that I saw happening live, and I also saw another trade happening on AUD USD. So I'm going to show you how it played out. Here is trade number 2. I also showed this to my Discord members, and I was like, look at this, it is playing out so nicely. So we have like A leg, right? We got the B leg, and we have the C leg here. So we got the A leg high here, and when you see the structure that was created before liquidity sweep, it is this, right? So we break this structure, and then we have this auto block here, and it is also the first candle of the fair value gap. And you can see we tapped into this, stop loss here, and we target this level as usual. That was a 7.85 risk reward. So the thing is, I'm trying to show you the power of the strategy. It is not some normal strategy, I know there are a lot of YouTubers who post absolute bullshit. I'm not, saying all of them, but there are some, and I wouldn't name them. But this right here, what I'm giving to you for free, is something that's going to change your life. And I mean it. Like, you literally had a 10 risk reward trade I showed you right now, and you have like this 8 risk reward trade here, you have made 18%. So let's say even if you lose 5 trades, 6 trades, or 7 trades in a row, which is unlikely, but it can happen, okay? But then you win 2 trades like this. So now tell me, isn't this strategy profitable? Because to me, I've been backtesting this strategy since 2018, and it has been profitable every single month. Okay, I wouldn't say every single week, but I'm 100%. I can one day I'll show you the backtesting results of the strategy, so it's gonna give you more confidence. Actually, I'm planning to post the backtesting results in my course. But the thing is, it has been profitable every single month, every single year. Okay, and I kid you not, if you use this strategy with some of the confluences that I teach in my course, you can actually just make a lot of money. But hear me out, this is not a financial advice. I just want you to trade on demo. Man, oh my god, these guidelines, you have to protect yourself. So yeah, I saw these 2 trades happen, and recently, right, this happened on 19th December, and I saw it happening live. Just saw the entry here, and I was like, wow, look at this, it played out so well. Like, look at this movement, right? So the thing is, guys, the purpose of this video was to show you that this strategy is really powerful, and there are variants to this strategy. There are different versions of the strategy that I have taught on YouTube. The reason why I teach so many variants is because I want you to backtest this strategy and make it suitable to you, right? You can add some other confluences like the volume indicator. I will teach how to use volume indicator some other day with ABC, but you can just try different things, and even increase the win rate. So yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and you can see that we over here, this C leg went straight into this supply zone, right? And that is one confluence that I used. It broke the structure, we took the entry, and boom. So I hope you enjoyed this small little video. I'm just trying to upload more trade breakdowns just to give you that confidence that this thing works. Okay, and of course you're gonna have losing trades. You can't just escape losing days, or losing streak. You're gonna have a losing streak. You're gonna lose 4 or 5 trades in a row, but it all comes down to your psychology and risk management. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, love you.